the only Spanish course they don't want you to know about. Here's the truth. Most people fail to learn Spanish, not because they're lazy, but because they're learning wrong. You're taught to read, to translate, to fill in blanks. But that's not how your brain learns a language. You learned your first language by hearing it every single day. And that's exactly how you'll learn Spanish, if you stop studying and start listening. That's why I created Spanish for Newbies, a complete audio-based system that trains your brain to hear, understand, and speak Spanish naturally. Over 400 immersive audio lessons, real travel phrases, and binaural audio that makes your brain feel like it's in Spain. No screens, no stress. Just listen, relax, and absorb the language, the way your brain was designed to. People all over the world are using it while driving, cooking, walking, and suddenly, they understand real conversations. They start thinking in Spanish without even realizing it. This isn't a trick, it's science. You don't study a language, you live it. So yeah, they don't want you to know about this, because if you did, you'd never pay for another app or grammar book again. Go to SpanishForNewbies.com right now. Get instant access to everything for just $27 and start learning Spanish the way you were meant to, by listening. SpanishForNewbies.com, where fluency finally clicks.